Hindi pa tapos yung verse ko, ah.
Pinaalala mo, partner.
Sabi ni Ann, may lakad daw siya. Sabi ko, nandito ako, may lakad ka? Ayan, numbers.
Ito nga, kaya nanalo ang Arellano, nakita mo naman, 15 attack points against the only 13 of NU.
Yun yung difference eh, halos.
Oo, nakaproduce ang Arellano kasi better yung defense nila ngayon. Doon na nakakuha na sila ng magagandang first balls. At nais-set up nila, lalo-lalo na itong si Ging Balse at itong si Nene Bautista. Lalo na nung last part, diba, nung dumikit sila. So, inunti-unti, tama ka dun sa kaninang analysis mo na, patiently, inunti-unti talaga nitong Arellano na hindi nararamdaman na NU na nandyan na.
Right.
Kaya pagdating sa dulo, yun na.
Ginawa
Ginawa na ng paraan ni Balse at saka nitong si Nene Bautista.
Nang mamama na si Ging. Gising na si Nene, nang mamama na si Ging. Tikar has been setting very well. Pati yung support crew nila, maganda nila laro eh. Bautista serving. Here's De Leon. Trying to go over. Bautista with a dive. Here's Dana Henson. De Leon. Combination now. Seaman Dadang. And a great save by Henson.
And may pagkakonting beach volleyball doon si Bautista as they take the point.
Ginahan talaga si Seaman yun. 2-0. Umihirit na yung Barry Pasqua. Gutom na to. Nang mamama daw ako. Nang aali naman daw.
Oo nga naman. Pambira ka.
Eh, pwede naman din yun eh. Malabas pa niya yung pagka-brusko. Pwede ba yun? Oh. That's too near the net. Henson almost lost.
But Henson doing something about that.
Right. Din. Oh, heroic effort there by Nene.
Nauna lang yung dive ni Nene ng bahagya. Pero once again, ibang-iba itong Arellano ngayon. Nakikita mo, mas energetic, baliktad, no? Dapat pagdating ng fourth set, yan na yung dyan natin nakikita yung pagod, yung third set.
Balikan mo lang yung game 1 ng finals ng UAAP. Lamang ang Ateneo ng 2 sets to nothing. Lamang nga sila 9-3 sa third set. Natalo pa sila sa game.
Ayaw na natin nga maalala lahat yan, di ba?
Sabi ko lang, it's never over even after 2 sets.
That's true. And again, dyan na-appreciate ng crowd yung athletes.
Right.
Kasi yung how they are challenged and yung when they have adversities, di ba? Kung paano nila ng mga babae ito, ha?
Naubusan ng pupuntahan ng bola itong mga taga-NU. But Arellano is just playing inspired right now since that third set victory. Here's Diane Tikar once again. What a great game she's played so far. Over-received. Reyes can't get to it. Arellano, 4-2.
Aha. Nagkaroon ng buhay. Yan minsan yung ayaw mo ibigay, no? You don't want to give momentum to the opponent. Imagine, dalawa sets na napanalo.
Here's Reyes. De Leon. And Ordaz is denied by Balse. 5-2 Arellano.
Nagka-second win ditong Arellano. As you can see here, Ordaz. May pagka-net block din ng konti yun.
Here's Dayan once again.
Ganda talaga ng serve.
Grabe yung serve dito. Consistent pati.
Ordaz. Eto naman, wait. Mukhang
yes.
Yun.
I think that is the correct. This is one of the new rules kasi.
Pagka galing sa serve,
hindi mo pwedeng
hindi pwedeng i-beach dig pagka pag hindi pwedeng beach dig ang sagot. Yun ang bagong rule natin ngayon pag galing sa serve. So, tinatawagan na siya ng double. Actually, bumalik lang tayo doon sa dating rule.
Well, it was relaxed over a few years.
Na pwede.
The FIVB has really cracked down on that. Again, as Dana Henson gets it through Jaja Santiago. And now the crowd pulling for Arellano University.
Why not? Nakita mo naman ng pumalo doon, Henson.
Right. Barely 80 pounds, ano?
ko.
Bakit?
Dadala na ako dito ng weighing scale.
Oh, sige. Subukan natin. Oh, that one goes through though for NU.
That's right.
And you have to remember that it's actually NU that is leading in this match. It is their match to lose. Maaga pa ito sa fourth set. So this will be a test of character now. And they have a Ruby De Leon inside who can actually remind them, hoy, lamang tayo. Tikar, great set to Balse. Pablo gets to it. Tikar against...
Ayun na. Ang talino na pagkagawa sana ni Tikar doon, no?
I thought that it was her who baited.
Yes, kaya lang na net violation naman siya. So, nakita niya na si Dindin nandun sa kabila, kahit na gusto niya sanang i-overball, sinet niya. Para matawagan sana si Dindin na overreaching. Actually, that was Santiago. That was Jaja.
Well, now Jaja scoring here.
Yep.
So 7-5. Arellano's gotta go all out all the time now. Isipin mo unang araw pa lang natin to. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Isipin mo unang araw pa lang natin ito. We haven't still seen the new look San Sebastian squad, the NCAA champion perpetual squad. Great block there from Jaja Santiago. And Jaja took her eye off the ball. King Balse capitalizes on a mental error by Jaja Santiago. Look at Jaja take her eye off the ball just for a split second. Yan tuloy.